Hey y'all, it's Sharita, also known as Gracefully Natural, and today I wanted to bring to you my full wash day routine featuring I'm going to be using products from Camille Rose. I'm going to be using the coconut water line, but I want to take you through the different steps that I go through before I get to that point. So the very first thing that I do is I like to just take down whatever old hairstyle that I have, and right now my hair is just up in a high bun, and I'm gonna take these bobby pins out. And what I like to do first is what a lot of the naturals here on YouTube call the, I guess, the prep or the pre-poo, whatever. So I just take some oils and I just massage that on my scalp to prepare my scalp for it to be cleansed. And the type of oil that I'm using is just a mixture of different oils. I'm using this little bottle right here. It's just a little bottle that I picked up from like Target or so. And in that bottle, I have a mixture of, I have some avocado oil. I have some extra virgin olive oil. I have some fenugreek oil. And I have some black castor oil. So this is an old, what was this? Wash and go. This is an old wash and go, and as you can see, my hair is growing. Remember, if you haven't seen my previous video on my DIY deep conditioner to increase or to get long hair fast, please go look at that. I will include the link in the description box. But look at my growth, my length. I will have to do a length check because I'm new to YouTube and I only have a few videos up, so you don't know what my length was prior to this anyway. But look how healthy and thick my hair is and how it looks. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this oil and I'm just going to just go through my hair, not in no particular order. I'm not trying to create a straight part or anything like that. And I'm just going to put this oil all over my scalp and just massage it in. Okay, I'm back. So I've shampooed my hair. My hair is still wet. What I use to shampoo my hair is the Maui Moisture. This is the one that I use. This is the Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil Shampoo. It is sulfate free. And I went straight from shampooing to deep conditioner this time instead of conditioning and then deep conditioning. I went straight to my deep conditioner and I used my DIY deep conditioner. You can look in the description box if you want to know how I made the deep conditioner. And I use it all the time and it helps my hair to grow long and healthy. So what I'm about to do now is get ready to prepare my hair or to do my hair for my wash day routine. This is just what I usually do after I shampoo my hair. So my hair feels really soft. It feels moisturized. It feels healthy, most importantly. And so the star of the show today will be, as I told you earlier, it will be the Camille Rose, and it will be the I'm trying to get this where you can see it, the coconut milk line. And this is the leave-in, if it will focus, and this is the style setter. There we go. And this is the coconut water line again by Camille Rose. And then what I'll be using to seal and moisturize my scalp is this this Herbogen. This is the what is it, Asha Basics. This is the fenugreek oil infused with extra virgin olive oil. It won't focus. But you've seen this. If you look at my DIY deep conditioner, then you'll be able to get a better view of this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started.